Morning guys. Ano na ba to? Day 3. So punta kami ng Lotus Pond tsaka Dragon and Pagoda. So ibang train naman kami, TRA train. Ayan siya, ganyan. Hindi na MRT. Okay, see you later guys. Yahoo! Yun lang, hirap intindihin. So 10:24 pa kami, 2A dito. Mas madali yung MRT. 20 minutes pang hintay. Ayan na. Na po yung train namin, 3172, 10:24. It's only 10:18. So train talaga siya to Chiayi, car number 5. Doon nga maluwag ata eh. So car number 6 to Chiayi, we're going to enter. It's full. Here, para nakaharap tayo. Maganda to, mga train nila. Ito yung mga papunta kasi ng mga Ayangusyan, mga kaya talagang may schedule sila. Di tulad ng MRT maya pwede pang umano dun, dumiretso. So this will only take us 15 minutes sa aming destination. Ayan. Ayan. So this one subway train din, pero ano to, provincial kumbaga. Parang sa atin provincial bus. Ayan. Bukas subukan naman namin yung ground level train. Ito po, nakababa na kami, going to Lotus Pond and Pagoda. The escalator is not working at this time. We are enjoying what's this zone. Okay, ayan, panoorin nyo ang inyong hakbang. So we have reached our first destination. I think this is Lotus Pond. There's the pagoda. So this is 2-in-1. Ha? Alas 11 pa lang, napagod na. Oh, ang ganda. Tingnan natin if we can ride the boat here. Oh. Ganda ng bike lane. Wow. Mamaya pupunta kami doon. Yun ang pagoda. So nature tripping kami. I think that is the Lotus Pond. So that's it guys. Good park with live ducks. Now Lotus Pond is under construction. Yan, we're going to Pagoda. Then we have here a great temple for later. Ewan ko. Yellow ata. Tsaka violet. Golden Pagoda. We have 2 temples here. Ayan. Maganda po rito. Okay, Golden Pagoda. So we have another temple. Ayan. Dito tayo pumasok sa entrance. So we have 4 spots in 1. See? Tayo picture. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. Ganda. Pili tayo nan. Wow, look at the ducks. Plenty of ducks. Yan. So mga floating pagodas. Let's see what's inside. So the dragon Houghton. Yan. Ayan ang loob. Let's go up. Oh no, staff only. So may ikot mo siya, dugtong-dugtong to. Apaka. Kita mo yung view? Apakaganda. Ayun ang pinaka the best. Oop! We can enter the dragon later. Harap ka dito mo. Harap. No. See what's on top. Panic, 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 panic. Okay. So this is the top of the pagoda. Ang hangin po. As you can see, hangin. Peace. Alakasan po. Kakainin kami ng dragon. Dragon. So yung loob ng dragon parang museum. Ayan, may mga nakapinta. Buddha. Yan po ay nasa sikmura na po kami ng dragon. Yan. Mayroon po silang shrine. Sila po ay Buddhist. Yan. May shrine po sila. Huwag mo ka dyan. Ayan. Oops. Tapos ito. Wow. After this, books, comic books. all for now for today's mini tour. Lotus Pond, Dragon and Tiger Pagoda. So, thank you again for watching. See you later, guys. Haimabu! Yahoo! Bye!